You say me go so then. Your little Danny come again, My lyrics went drop like a rain, Respect a man Paul. Big up a man Paul. Starlo. I saw ego. This is all about life. It's all about life. Reality. This is all about life. We need to love one another. Unity is the strength. Unity is the power. We all need. Yeah, this is all about life. Yeah, little Danny come again. My lyrics going drop like a rain. Your heart full of anger. You're there and I wonder over certain things. You're there and I ponder. It's like your life is heading to an end. People you trust, I want to see you 6 foot under. You've been this man left crying out one corners. Never hold back anything in your heart. Cause it's a go tear you apart. No matter what love and dash away at. That's the only way you can come on top. So set your mind free. Born animosity. Let's live in harmony. Love conquers all, no matter how you've been hurt seems to be. Set your mind free. You're born animosity. Let's live in harmony. Love conquers all, no matter how you've been hurt seems to. Every day I see hatred and envy. There is no love amongst humanity. It's so touching to see my people live this way. I wish they could hear what me say. I yield unto love and unity. There would have been peace and harmony. But then get caught up in all this Babylonian system. When there is confusion and problem. Brothers against brothers, sisters against sisters. Missing friends shut down friend. When all this I go hand. It's only when we get intimate and appreciate one another with a thunder rate. Brothers and sisters, come, let's keep the faith so we can reach to make it to Zion Gate. So set your mind free. You're born animosity. Let's live in harmony. Love conquers all, no matter how you've been hurt seems to be. Set your mind free. You're born animosity. Let's live in harmony. Love conquers all, no matter how you've been hurt seems to be. You got so die. Your heart full of anger. You're there and I wonder over certain things. You're there and I ponder. It's like your life is heading to an end. People you trust, I want to see you 6 foot under. You've been this man left crying out one corners. Never hold back anything in your heart. Cause it's a go tear you apart. No matter what love and dash away at. That's the only way you can come on top. So set your mind free. You're born animosity. Ciao. Blazing, Starlo, wickedest producer.